Guys, we are all waiting. This thing I think is gonna start too late. Like I've been waiting so far. It's like 3 hours, guys. And like from what time will it start? What time will it start?
Don't know any time.
We don't know any time, right?
When
Guys,
their mood comes, they come.
Anyway, it's taking too long, guys. But anyway, I'm also so curious to witness and celebrate this festival, guys. So a lot of people, they are already here. And I don't know when will it start. I'm also starving. I want to eat so bad. And at the same time, I'm like scared. Like if I will go for food, then this event will start.
Again, subscribe.
But anyway, they said this festival will until midnight, right?
Midnight, yes.
Until 9-10 it will be.
Yo bro, you like Nepali girls or not?
I like, yeah. You have any girl for me?
Let's go.
You have any girl? You want to send any girl?
Let's go to Nepal. There are a lot of crew, man.